Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you how to create a one-on-one call service on Stan Store. Let's dive right in. First, go to My Store and click Plus Add Product. Select the coaching call product type. Choose how you'd like the thumbnail to display on your storefront. You can select a style and add an image. On the checkout page, select an image for the header, and write a title and description for your checkout page. Confirm your pricing. Just a heads up, add discount code, limit quantity, and offer payment plan are only available on our Pro plan. Confirm what information you'd like to collect from your customers and add additional fields if you'd like. Configure your availability by updating the following: meeting location, time zone and duration of the meeting, prevent booking, maximum number of attendees, selecting your available times. Lastly, choose your availability in the Select Available Times section. You can also add multiple time slots throughout the day by clicking on the plus icon next to the first slot. Now, head to your Options tab, then locate the Reminders tab. You can configure the subject and body of the email, as well as how often the reminder goes out. Finally, click on Publish button. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.